This is one of the silver lace duckwing bantams. You can see, isn't that so cool? Moving. Here's another one. You can see the veins really well. And you can see right in this area, it moving. Here's the air cell. That's what you want to look for generally. But this is doing really well. Here's another good picture of the veins. And what is really awesome about this breeder is I got it from a farm on eBay. And every single one, I ordered 6, they gave me 7, and every single one of them are fertilized, which is amazing.